Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I remade my kitchen. I live in the Upper East Side and I have a pre-war building. It was built in 1912. So the like way this apartment was built or designed is a little bit outdated. So like we have like the beautiful crown molding, but that also means that we have a really outdated kitchen. I'll show you the before of this kitchen and the after. Yeah, definitely outdated, but I just wanted to spruce it up a little bit, make it look a little modern, but I wasn't allowed to paint the cabinets or anything like that. So all of this will be removable for when I move out. I can take it all off and it'll be like I did nothing to the kitchen. So I'm going to show you guys what the before looks like. Okay, let's get into this video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I ended up doing this. Okay, so this is the kitchen and this is the space that I'm working with today. Basically what my plan is, I'm going to cover all the cabinets with contact paper, and it's a black contact paper. I'll show you in a second. And then I want to add a subway tile backsplash to this little area right here along the counter space. And then I feel like once I do that, it will automatically feel more updated, because right now it just feels like so outdated that adding this, like, yeah, it looks cute, but it's like not the true full potential that my kitchen could be at. So we're adding black contact paper, subway tiles back there, and these are all peel and stick so that when I do leave this apartment I will be able to just take it away and throw it out. So this is what it looks like right now, and I'll show you all the things that I bought to help me with this little makeover that I'm doing. Okay, so hi guys, this is my face. So this is the contact paper that I bought. I got this off of Amazon and each roll was about $8, so together it was like $24 plus tax. So I got a black wood. That's what I think the name of it is, but basically it's like a black wood texture, and I got 3 of those. I also got this little kit just to make sure that there are no air bubbles, because that is the worst look ever. I have the X-Acto knife to cut it if I need to cut it, and that will come in handy with the backsplash. I have this to push down the air bubbles, and then I also have this smoothing it out, I believe. These are the peel and stick subway tiles. I'm so excited to put these on. I did like a pretend layout and I put them back there, and it just honestly, just putting that back there makes all the difference. So this will come in handy because it's peel and stick, so as soon as I'm ready to get out of here I can just take it all away and just throw everything out. These were about, so one pack comes with 10 in it. Yeah, 10, and it fits literally perfectly on this in the space that I have. And I believe one pack of 10 is around $30 if I'm not mistaken, and then plus tax. And I live in New York City, so taxes, it's beautiful. So altogether this was like 60 bucks. So this is gonna be a $60 makeover, and I'm so excited to get started. Let's do that now. I did originally buy this paint, this black paint, which is what I wanted to paint the cabinets, but I asked for permission first, like a good tenant, and they said no. So that is why I'm doing the whole peel and stick option, and hopefully it actually comes out better, because then it's less messy, I'm not getting it everywhere and all that stuff. But yeah, now I'm stuck with this paint. So one more thing before we get started with the contact paper. I do think that I want to keep these two doors, I do want to take them off of the whole cabinet. I think it would be nice to have like a nice design element added to the kitchen if I had these just open up. In our last apartment we had that, and we were able to display our nice glasses, and we have some nice dishware, so I feel like that would be a nice addition to the kitchen. And I don't know why, but it kind of makes it feel like it being open right now makes it feel more spacious in here, as to if it was like closed off. So I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna take these two doors off and see how it looks without, and then I mean if not, I can always just put them back on. So I think that's gonna be the first move, is to take these doors off, and then I'll get started putting the contact paper on these cabinets. Okay guys, so this is the Backsplash, and again, just to remind you, this is peel and stick, so it will come off. I had a little trouble with the outlet, so the top, there is no like tile covering it, but I had to cut around that. Besides that, this is what it looks like. And then right here, I had to cut some smaller tiles to fill in these gaps because they were like that. So yeah, and then there's the outlet. So this is what it looks like. And then now I'm going to do the contact paper. Okay, just checking in. I finished this side and it looks way better now that it's black, and I took off the doors, and I did this one because I had enough just to cover that. So I'm gonna get started on like the bigger parts over here, and I will check in soon. Update, now I have these two done. Now it's time to work on this one. So I stopped recording just because it was getting late and I just wanted to finish this off camera. I was getting a little bit frustrated with some pieces because our cabinets, like I said, they're outdated. So there were a lot of parts of the cabinets that were like roughed up, scratched, had like bumps that you get from like water. And so there were some uneven spots and it was really hard to smooth out. But yeah, I finally finished. It's like 11 o'clock now. I started this at 5, but I was taking a lot of breaks because I was just getting frustrated. But I'll show you what it looks like. For watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned how to maybe spruce up your own space. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more New York City fashion, design, art content, all of that fun stuff. See you guys in the next one.